Hi everyone, we are very much excited to show you the new product, most awaiting new product from Poly, the Poly Studio X70. The document, which is most important thing, HDMI cables. We have two numbers for if you are using the system for dual monitor, we can use both the cables. Ethernet cable, and this side we can see the power cable. Power adapter. Two brackets. We can see this bracket will go to the system side and this bracket will mount on the wall. Now here comes the device. The right side of the device, we can see one USB-C type connector which will be connected to the laptop for device mode. Then we can see 3.0 USB-A connector which will be used for software upgrades. Here we can find one HDMI input which will be connected to the laptop for content sharing. Here is the HDMI 2 and HDMI 1 which is used for connecting to the monitor respectively. This is the connector for power adapter, and this is a RJ45 connector for future expansions. This is the RJ45 for LAN connection, and here is the extended microphone connector. And this comes the audio 3.5 out, and this is for audio 3.5 input. These are the accessories which we can order with the system as an option. The TCA touch panel, which we have to pair with the system for calendaring and call functions, volume up and down, mute, all these facilities are available in this 8-inch touch panel. The other item is the expansion microphone. If the room require more microphone coverage, which we can connect this microphone to the system. This unit is available for demo with Oxford integration. Please contact us for demo. Hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.